Stop remaking the same post 3 times. Use the Canva Resize tool. So I have this image right here, and say that I want to make posts for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, wherever. What I'm going to do is take my design, which this design right here, I actually made on ChatGPT. So you don't really have to have too much skills if you're not a designer. Okay, and then what I want to do is go ahead to this resize tool right here. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to go to social media for y'all, and then it has all the different options that you can use. So whichever your choice is, then go ahead and pick that. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead and pick Facebook. And then it's already at 1080 by 1080 size, so I want to do a post, landscape size. So I'm going to just click on that button and press copy and resize. And just like that, I have my new size image. And then I can use that to post. Say I want to make the same post on another platform as well. Because you might have different channels that you want to post your content on. Go ahead to YouTube, and I'm going to make it the thumbnail size. Boom. And just like that, I have my thumbnail. And now I can get to work and do what I need to do to make my content and help my business grow. Y'all keep following SJ Innovation Hub for more AI and creator hacks. Thank you.